I'd love for practice owners to realize how big the weight that they carry alone really is. So many decisions end up on your desk before lunch: staff, patients, payroll, marketing, to mention but a few. Most owners haven't taken a proper 2 week break in 2 years, and sometimes even longer. Guys, this is not a discipline problem. You were trained in your profession, never in running a business or managing yourself under that load. I want to tell you about a strategic thinking partner and what it does. So, firstly, it creates a safe space in which you can be totally honest, not having to wear a mask to the outside world, telling the world that everything is okay, I've got this. A strategic thinking partner can also help you to build a structure so that growth stops feeling so haphazard and messy. And lastly, helps you to understand your own patterns so that you stop reacting and get into a space of leading calmly and from a place of confidence. Because you don't have to go through this alone.